Hello, today I will guide you on how to install Linux on a virtual machine using VirtualBox. Step 1, download and install VirtualBox. Go to the VirtualBox official website. Download the latest version for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install VirtualBox. Step 2, download a Linux ISO file. Choose a Linux distribution. Download the ISO file from the official website. Step 3, create a new virtual machine. Open VirtualBox and click New. Enter a name for your VM. Choose Type Linux and select the appropriate version. Click Next. Step 4, Allocate RAM. 2 GB minimum for lightweight Linux distributions. 4 GB or more recommended for a smoother experience. Step 5, create a virtual hard disk. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now and click Create. Select VirtualBox disk image and click Next. Choose dynamically allocated or fixed size. Set disk size and click Create. Step 6, load the Linux ISO file. Select your newly created VM and click Settings. Go to the Storage tab. Under Controller IDE, click Empty. On the right, click the CD icon and select Choose a disk file. Step 7, start the virtual machine. Click Start to boot your VM. The Linux installer will load. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Linux. Step 8, start and use Linux. Start your VM again, log in with your credentials. Enjoy your Linux virtual machine. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the installation of Linux on a VirtualBox virtual machine. With this virtual environment, you can explore Linux without affecting your main operating system. Make the most of it for learning, software testing, or application development. If you encounter any issues during the installation or usage, don't hesitate to ask questions. Wishing you success and an amazing experience with Linux.